Dark Phoenix 1620 and Phoenix 1620 presents Episode 1. Listen very carefully.
When I say I want chicken,
Yes,
I meant that.
I know, right,
I
Pastor?
heard it in the book.
Oh, yes.
I
Oh,
heard it
yes.
in my prayers.
Oh,
I
yes.
saw it in the dream.
Oh, yeah.
For there was chicken with no legs.
Oh, that's bad,
real
Pastor.
bad.
That's
Chickens
bad.
with no legs ain't no chicken at all.
I
You
know, right,
got
Pastor?
that right
You gotta
there.
have chicken legs.
Oh, yes.
I said chicken legs.
Oh,
Pastor,
yes.
yes.
I said chicken legs.
Preach,
Yes,
Pastor.
preach
Preach
it. Wonderful, preach.
it.
Say it one more time. Say it one more time.
Chicken legs.
Thank you for watching my video. I would also like to thank Phoenix 1620, which is one of my best friends of all times. Yeah, he's cool. He helped me make this video, but I'm also using his laptop, so I pretty much got all his pictures and stuff. Yeah, you may notice. But anyway, please subscribe, comment, rate, or whatever. Add me as a friend also. But also check out Phoenix's page also. He's cool. He's cool too. Yeah. Alright, see you later.